In today's video, I'll be showing you 5 of the best FBA deals from the month of February. So welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you 5 of the best deals which we found last month. So all of these deals were sent into our Deal of the Day feature. This is where we send in 1 to 2 deals every single day into our Discord, Monday to Friday. So we don't really recommend to buy any of these deals simply because they go out to a lot of people, which means they can have increased competition. But it's just to give our users some inspiration, and it's just a tiny fraction of the amount of deals out there. Okay, so let's get started. You should now be able to see my screen, and we've got this Tefal Cook and Clean 28cm frying pan. When we sent this into Deal of the Day, we could buy this for £12.49. We still can actually buy this for £12.49, and it was selling on Amazon for £25.83. Now you should be able to see the data on the screen. So as you can see, this one was selling between 210 to 390 a month. It had only 1 review. It's obviously a newer product, which isn't always a bad thing. Its break-even point was £20.23. So that's meaning that if we're buying it for £12.49 and we've got these fees, so £2.50 FBA fee, £3.95 referral fee, and £1.29 VAT on them 2 fees, we'd have to sell it for £20.23 to get our money back. So we had a bit of leeway here on the price. As we can see, the return on investment was 45%, which is very healthy. Most people aim for about 30%, and the estimated profit per unit was £5.60. Now, the only slight downside with this one was that there was on the higher side of the number of FBA sellers, 8 FBA sellers, but the graph looked good when we first analysed this deal last month, so that wouldn't put us off too much. Most people try and get under 5 FBA sellers, but between 5 and 10 is usually okay if it looks like a good buy. Okay, so the next one we have is from the website Claire's. It's this Loeb Wonder Earring Support Patches. Now, when we sent this into Deal of the Day, we could buy it for £5. I think it is still £5. I think they may now be sold out, but they were in stock when we sent this in last month. So this one's selling between 30 to 60 a month, and at the time of sending it in, it was £22.79 on Amazon, and it had a lot of reviews. So it's obviously a popular product. 4.5 star rated. 2,970 reviews. Estimated FBA fee £1.66, referral fee £1.63, the VAT on the 2 fees 66p. The break-even point was £9.94, so if we're buying it for £5, we'd have to sell it for £9.94 to get our money back. So you can see we've got massive room for movement here, and you'll see the return on investment 214%. Quite insane really, meaning £12.85 profit per unit. Now there is a good chance that this price would come down just because obviously there's so much room for movement, but when you see a deal like this, it's amazing just because you've got so much scope to drop your price, so you don't have to worry too much about getting undercut. And the other great thing about this product was that there was only 2 other FBA sellers on this line, so that means if you're going to be sending it in, then right now there's not much competition. Obviously the competition would increase. Such a large amount of wiggle room on the price. This was a fantastic buy. Okay, so the next product we have is from Smith's. It's this pop vinyl WWE toy. At the time of sending it in, we could buy this for £5. It is still £5 at the moment, which is great. So when we sent this into Deal of the Day, the price of this item was £11.25. It was selling 90 to 180 units a month, so it had good sales. Product reviews, it was 5-star rated, 338 reviews, so great reviews. FBA fee was £2.19, referral fee £1.72, and the VAT was 78p. Break-even point was £9.69, so we had a little bit of movement. Not a massive profit on this one, but estimated profit per unit £1.56. Only 4 other FBA sellers, and I remember checking on this one as well. There wasn't much stock at the time with the other sellers, and also the price graph looked good as well. So this product here had a great amount of potential. So the next product we have is from Superdrug. It's this Kiss Powerflex brush on nail glue. We could buy it for £2.99. When we sent this into Deal of the Day, it was selling on Amazon for £9.62. Estimated monthly sales was between 30 to 90 a month, so consistent sales, not a crazy seller, but consistent sales. Anything in that range is always positive. 76 reviews on Amazon, rated 4 stars, so that's absolutely fine. FBA fee was £1.56, referral fee 77p, and the VAT was 47p on them 2 fees. The break-even point on this one was £5.79, and the return on investment 128%, so another really, really good one. These sort of products are great just because you've got so much movement in the price. And with that return on investment, it meant we'd have an estimated profit per unit of £3.83. And at the the time of sending it in, I only had 3 other FBA sellers, so not much competition at all. And the great ones about these sorts of products is because they're so cheap, it's great for new people starting out. If your budget's not huge, it means you can get started with FBA without needing to invest a huge amount of money, and you can actually have a really good return on your investment. So our 5th and final product is from Tesco, and it's this Funko plush toy. When sending this into Deal of the Day, we could buy it for £11 and it was selling on Amazon for £28. Very, very good sales, 210 to 390 a month. Lots of reviews as well. So it was rated 5-star and it had 4,190 reviews. Estimated FBA fee £2.19, referral fee £4.28, the VAT on the fees £1.29. The break-even point was £18.77, so if we're buying it for £11, with these fees we just need to sell it for £18.77 to get our money back. Return on investment, really, really healthy, 84%, meaning a profit of £9.23. Now there is probably a good chance that this product would come down, but you ain't wanting to get about 30% return on investment. And obviously with only 3 other FBA sellers on this listing, there's not much competition when we sent this in. So there's a really good chance that you could make great profit on this product. And obviously this isn't a sale product either, so we could just keep buying more and more of this product. So that's our pick of 5 of the best deals from the month of February. If this video does well, then obviously we'll do this again next month and we'll show you 5 deals from March. I hope it gives you some inspiration on the types of deals to look for and where to actually look for your FBA deals. We find so many of these deals every single day, and there is just so many potential deals out there. Now remember, if you are new to FBA, just remember it does take time to learn how to find FBA deals. There is a knack to it, so don't get disheartened if you're not getting it right away. The key is just staying consistent and not giving up, and the more time you spend on it, the easier it becomes. So thanks for watching. I hope you found that video helpful. If you are interested in joining Profitl, just click the link in the description, but I'll see you in the next video.